this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Roblox white screen error. So if you're trying to launch up the Roblox player and you're just seeing a white screen, then there's actually a couple of things you can do to fix this. Now, the first step is just to head over to your desktop and locate the Roblox player shortcut. From here, we need to right click on the Roblox player, click on properties, select compatibility, and next to compatibility mode, check run this program in compatibility mode 4, and then just select Windows 8 from the list. Make sure disable full screen optimizations is checked, and also run this program as administrator, then press apply and OK, and then you can try opening up Roblox and checking if that solved your issue. Now, if that doesn't work, what you'll need to do is right click again on the Roblox player, click on properties, click on compatibility, and we're just going to remove all of these options. You may want to leave run this program as administrator checked, and then just press apply and OK. Now, the next solution is if you're on a Windows computer is to hold down the Control Shift Windows and the letter B on your keyboard, and what this will do is reset your graphic drivers. So once you've held down this combination, your screen should flash a couple of times, which will basically confirm that the graphic drivers have been reset. And then once again, try opening up Roblox and checking if that solved your issue. Now, if that's still not working, the next solution is to head over to your start menu and search for Microsoft Store, and then just click on the Microsoft Store. In this search box, type in Roblox and hit enter. Then click on this top search result, which is Roblox, and then you can just click this blue install button to install it to your device. Now, I've already installed this, so it won't show up for me, but essentially, if you've already downloaded Roblox online, then this is a different version of the client, and sometimes this one can fix the white screen issue. So once you've downloaded this, press the play button, and as you can see, we're now able to open the Roblox client, and it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.